Welcome to the Vietnam Defence Expo, where innovation meets strategy, and nations come together to showcase cutting-edge defense technology. The Vietnam Defence Expo, one of Southeast Asia's most prominent events in defense technology and innovation. In this video, we'll take you on an exclusive tour of the event, highlight key technologies, and share insights from industry leaders. The Vietnam Defence Expo brings together over 200-plus exhibitors from 30-plus countries, showcasing advanced military technology, including land, air, and naval defense systems. From live demonstrations of unmanned aerial vehicles to AI-driven cybersecurity systems, the Expo is a hub of groundbreaking innovations. Vietnam is not only a host but a key player in the global defense ecosystem, strengthening ties with international partners and investing in homegrown technology. For visitors, the Expo isn't just about technology, it's about understanding the future of global security. Let's hear what attendees think. That's a wrap for our exclusive tour of the Vietnam Defence Expo. From state-of-the-art technology to meaningful collaborations, this event truly showcases the future of defense. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates from global events like this.